Okay, welcome to part 4 of the agostini R2D2 build. There's really not much to do this week. We've only got 3 components in the bag, so it's going to be a nice quick build. I won't dwell on the contents of the magazine. I won't spoil it for you. You can read through them as you like. We'll go straight to the build. Like I say, it's a very quick one this week. There's basically 3 components that you're given. Let's have a look at them all. You've got the battery box, so you can fire up the LEDs. You've got the bottom of the leg, and you've got that metal piece that goes at the top of the leg at the pivot point. So we'll do it in the order the book says. First off is this metal piece here. This is very easy to fit. Just taking the leg, which is you've got to be a bit careful with the leg now, because of course all the bits are just sitting in there loose, nothing's screwed down yet. The leg piece just fits in there, and if you turn it over, oops. If you turn it over, you find it's a sort of bayonet fit, so you have to give it a twist and it locks in place there. There we go. So that's that. It's the first piece. And the second piece is the ankle joint part we've got here. Again, there's no screws provided yet. All of these parts of the leg are still just loose, they're still just hanging together. And it's dead simple. That just pops in there, and there you have it. That's all you've got to do. There's no fixings at all as yet. Everything's just loosely put together. So hopefully there'll be some screws in the next issue to tie everything together. So that's the leg done with for this issue. Now we go back to the state indicator from issue 1, and we'll just pop some batteries in the box and see if we can get the thing working. It takes 3 AA batteries. I think there's a single screw securing it, yes it is. This I think is exactly the same battery box as they had in the test issue. A little bit awkward to get open this. I've not opened one of these. Oh, you slide it. Ah, right, got it. Okay. Let's get the 3 batteries in. Obviously observing the correct polarity, which should be something like that. Close it, put the little screw back in. I shouldn't really be using this screwdriver, this is the DeLorean one. I'll use a proper R2D2 screwdriver. Okay, there we go, that's the battery box assembled. And then we'll just pop the power lead into the circuit board. See which way up it goes. That way up I think. actually quite stiff. There we go. That's in. That wasn't a very good fit actually, but never mind. Right. Hopefully. No, we're not getting anything there. I wonder why. I don't think that plug has actually gone in properly. Let's see, positive on that side, negative on that side. Let's try again. As you can see, that power plug, it doesn't want to go in. It's very, very tight. Let's try it again. No, we're still not getting anything there. That's me being a dumbass. There's actually an on and off switch on the box. That I didn't notice. Right. So we'll turn it on and we'll try again. Right. There we go. That's actually flaring out camera, that is. It's red that way and blue that way. I suppose you can press them both together. You get sort of purple effect. There we go. Red that way and blue the other. So everything's okay. That was me not reading the instructions. Don't forget there's a little power switch on the box just there. And I didn't notice it. Right, there we go. So that's all you've got to do for this issue. Get the state indicator working and get everything powered up. And that's it until next week. Part 5, I think part 5 is the pivot parts for the dome. Yeah, you can see it there. So there's a whole load of screws in there. Hopefully some of those screws are to screw the leg part together, because that's still just all floppy. It's amazing. This is sort of falling apart in my hands now. It looks great. I mean, it's a very accurate model. It looks fantastic, but it's all still loose. So let's hope we get some screws for that. And I'll see you in issue 5. Thanks for watching.